Good morning, children. So, today we are going to start our 14th chapter, that is excretion in living organism. So, you all know that as a result of metabolic activities, means all the activities of the body, many useful as well as waste products are formed in the body. The waste products are toxic for the body, and if they remain for a longer period, it will be harmful. So, it is necessary to remove it from the body, and the removal of those waste products is called excretion process. Okay, so once again I am repeating, the removal of waste product from the body is called excretion. So let us study this in detail. Firstly, we are going to the excretion in animals. So in this picture you can see the various excretory organs of body, that is skin, lungs, liver, kidney and rectum. So let us see which organ make up this system, overall our excretory system. First of all, we are going through a pair of kidneys. So this is a pair of kidneys. So kidneys are situated just below the diaphragm and inside the abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. They are bean shaped and deep red in color. You people are having book, you can see in your book also. Kidneys are of bean shape and they are deep red in color. The next organ is which are involved in the excretory system of a body is blood vessels. Two blood vessels are connected to the inner part of each kidney. Out of these, one brings blood to the kidney and the other takes away the filtered blood from the kidney. Okay, so these are the two blood vessels. Our next organ is ureter. A tube called ureter comes out from the inner margin of the each kidney, and this carries the filtered urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Okay. Next is urinary bladder or urethra. Urinary bladder is a sac-like structure, you can see in this picture, and it is made up of muscles. Urine is collected in this bladder, and once the bladder is full, urine is removed from the body through the urethra. So urinary bladder is a sac-like structure. Okay, so all these organs make up a excretory system. Now our next topic is formation of urine. How is urine formed in our body? So children, whatever food we are taking in our body, it is getting digested, and as soon as it is getting digested, ammonia gas is formed as a result of its digestion and in the small intestine. Okay, so it is necessary to remove this gas since it is very harmful. This gas cannot be removed directly from the body, and so it reaches the liver along with the blood, where it forms urea after combining with the carbon dioxide. Urea is less harmful than ammonia. Urea reaches the kidney along with the blood, where it is filtered and removed from the body as urine. So urine thus consists mainly of urea and water. Okay, so once again I am repeating, whatever food we are taking in our body, after the digestion of it, ammonia gas is formed, and this cannot be removed directly from the body, so it forms urea after combining with carbon dioxide, and urea is less harmful than ammonia. Urea reaches the kidney with the blood, along with the blood, and it is filtered and removed from the body as urine. Okay, so ammonia plus carbon dioxide in the liver, it is taking place and forms urea. Now our next topic is excretion in plants. So you must have observed that the leaves and the bark of many trees dry up and falls up. So the unwanted metabolic products are stored in these leaves and barks. As they fall, the waste products are also removed. So thus plant also excrete like other organisms, but they do not have special organs for. So children, plants also performing the function of excretion, but they do not have any special organs for excretion, so they perform with within the organs of that. So in some plants, excretory products forms as a result of metabolic activities. You can see in this picture that it is a gum resin accumulated in the surface of leaves and in the bark. Okay, so these all are the excretory organ product of the plants. It is a common experience that whenever we are eating jimmykan and the leaves of arvi can cause irritation in the throat. Why there? Because the reason for this, it is the sharp ends of crystal, you can see in this picture, which are present in the cells of the leaves, prick the inside of the throat. Okay, whenever you are eating the jimmykan or leaves of arbi, It causes some irritation in your throat because the leaves prick the inside of the throat, and they are called raphides. Okay, you can see in this picture, and the coming picture also, they are the sharp ends of raphides. Okay. So children, there are various type of waste products of the plants also, such as gum, resins, raphides, and many other things. So plants also excrete like other living beings. Rubber is also another type of waste product of plants. So here we have completed our excretion chapter in living organism. Next class you are going to get the question answers of this chapter. Till that time.